these members who have defected from Azimio coalition need to resign their positions and go. Members of Parliament are approaching the executive supposedly for development in their constituencies. Under our current constitutional dispensation, the resources are being actually allocated by Parliament. So the days when members of Parliament used to go and see Mtukufu Rais Nyayo, ati ulituahidia sisi, utaleta mradi ya maji hapa, utajenga low-cost housing hii hapa, barabara hii itatengenezwa, kwenda piga magoti chini kwa rais, alete maendeleo, imekwisha. You don't need. If you want to go and see Mr. President as a person appointed in State House, go. But if you want to go and talk about issues that affect the party, then you must give him permission by the party before you go to see the president. What you see, these people must be seen for what they are, traitors.